The 2-cup manifestation method works like magic for 2 reasons. First, it's been demonstrated that water can be influenced by surrounding it with positive thoughts. Our bodies are made of more than 70% water. Think of the huge influence that you have on your body with your own thoughts. Second, by repeatedly drinking your positively infused water, you are actually gradually changing your expectation to receive what you are wanting to manifest. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. In today's video, actually this is a very special day for me. Today is my birthday. But what I really want to talk about is the power of our intentions on water molecules. And using the 2-cup method, you will actually influence yourself to resonate with different kind of experiences that will give you greater satisfaction. Water is life. More than 70% of our bodies is water. So the water that we drink is essential. If you took a glass of water, now this is proven, and you would have a lot of people surrounding that glass of water with positive emotions, with positive thoughts, with positive vibrations. You would freeze it and you would examine the water crystals. You would discover those crystals that came from the positively infused water. They are more beautiful and they look a lot more different than the water that was infused with negative emotion. Those infused with negative emotion, they look broken or they just don't have that beautiful form that the other crystals have. This was an experiment done by Dr. Masao Emoto that demonstrated that the water has emotions. That water is vibration. For instance, if you don't have a particular desire that you would like to manifest, you could infuse every cup of water that you drink with, let's say, appreciation. Now, as we learned from Abraham-Hicks, appreciation is the highest and the clearest vibration, is the purest state of alignment with your own inner being, and the clearest emotion that you emit out into the universe to manifest all of your desires. You could write the word of appreciation on the cup, or you could just think about it for several moments before drinking your water. Our bodies is affected by our thoughts, and by repeatedly thinking those thoughts every time you drink your water is an important factor in changing your beliefs and changing your expectation about your own desire. In your reality, you have a certain vibration, and in your desired reality, you have another vibration that you need to vibrate in order to manifest it. With the 2-cup method, by repetition, you create a new belief or you change your existing negative beliefs. You start to resonate with a new version of you. You start to resonate with all those wonderful opportunities that easily flow in your experience. With your intention, you change what you vibrate out into the universe. But why do we use water? We use water because water has memory, and our emotions have effect on water. Really powerful influence on the way you are vibrating. Besides having those repetitive thoughts that make you vibrate it even more. So this is how you do it. You take 2 empty cups. 1 cup is for the present reality, what you have right now. And the other cup is for your desired reality. You can write words on the cups if you want to. For instance, let's say I want a video that could generate 100,000 views. Okay, so that's my desire state. I write them on the paper and put it on the cup. On the other one, I write what I already have. I have 15,000 views video. Now take the present state cup and pour water into it. State your intention. I want to have 100,000 views video. Or I want to have a video that could generate 100,000 views. And you pour the water from the current reality cup into the desired reality cup. And as you state your intention, you drink all of the water from the desired cup. It's all about intention. It's looking at what you desire and working on aligning with it. And the universe will respond. As you change your internal story, your external world will change as well. Think about how much positive influence you can have with your own thoughts. Think of reality as vibration. Water is vibration. You are vibration. Everything in this universe is vibration. Switch broadcast with your intention. The minute you align, you switch your vibration to the vibration of your desire. That will manifest in your experience. This is really a gradual process, but it's possible if you are consistent. So basically, all manifestation methods have the same thing in common. You have to think that thought until you believe it, until you vibrate it. So no matter what the method you are using, if you can accomplish this goal, then it's the right method for you. Now, I would love to hear what manifestation method works for you. Please let me know in the comments and I will respond. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your wishes on my birthday. Make sure to like and leave a comment. Until next time, bye.